Here's an update video on my repaired, or should I say remanufactured, projector. As you can see, I paused the 4K movie. This is the Incredible Hulk in 4K. As I'm putting the phone next to the projector, you can barely hear the fan. So definitely something wrong with the old one. I'm glad I sent it in. It sucks that I had to pay $80 in shipping because I had to insure the shipment. But I guess now I could enjoy my projector. I've had it since over a month now. I just kind of lagged it on making a video, update video, but for whoever's interested, just know that if you're Optoma projector, 4K projectors making any buzzing noise in 4K mode, then you know that it's not, that there's a problem with it. It's not correct. And you might have to contact Optoma. Hopefully they're as helpful as they were with me. All right. See you.